Wholemeal spaghetti with marinara sauce. Prepare the ingredients. Bring a large pot of water to the boil. Add 250 grams of spaghetti. Stir and cook for 15 minutes. Finely dice 1 onion. Finely dice 3 garlic cloves. Roughly chop 1 red capsicum into small cubes. Cut 2 celery stalks into small pieces. Heat a frying pan over a high heat. Add the onion and garlic and saute for a couple of minutes. Add the capsicum and celery and saute for a few minutes. Add a little stock to deglaze the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and stir. Add 1 tin of tomatoes and mash the tomatoes to a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and stir well. And simmer until the sauce is thick, about 5 minutes. When the spaghetti is cooked, drain. Add 2 handfuls of spinach to the sauce and stir until it wilts. Add the drained spaghetti. Turn off the heat. Fold the sauce through the spaghetti. Place the spaghetti in 4 bowls or on a plate. Sprinkle with some nutritional yeast and serve.